Hello jelly babes, welcome back to my channel. So I know that some of you ladies wanted to know about the removal process of this BeautyBigBang kind of builder extension gel kit. So obviously I had a design on this beforehand, which I did file off, and the nails that I haven't got anything on, like they didn't particularly file down very well. As you can see here, there's like patches, and like some of them it was just like ridiculous. So initially I was going to try and save the money and just sort of attempt an infill, but then like obviously with how some of them came off, I just thought I would remove all of them. And obviously you guys, some of you ladies have requested that I show whether it can be soaked off or not. So these are the products that I use. So I've got a Gellux Acetone, and I've got these silicone finger things. So basically you fold it back over, and what I'm actually going to do is just leave this on for 10 minutes and then come back and kind of see how well it is removing. So I've left it for 10 minutes now, so I'm going to have a look. Now, if the bottom of my nail seems to have melted away, don't be alarmed. It's just because obviously I did have a fake nail tip on mine. I did apply the builder gel over that. So let's have a look. So not that much has actually removed. So you can see it started to crack a little bit there. So I'm just going to sort of see how much I can take away of this. So I'm applying a little bit of pressure, not too much. So you can see that the actual like builder gel extension removed really well, and actually the nail tip has managed to stay on, which I wasn't expecting at all. So I think what I'm going to do is obviously remove like the excess off most of the nails, and then I am going to actually just put this to soak again for another 10 minutes. If you find that the pad is a little bit dry, then obviously you can reapply some acetone. It'll help up with, you know, the removal process. So I'm going to leave this for another 10 minutes and come back. So there you go. So you can see that the tip of the nail has removed now, and I'm just going to sort of get rid of any of this excess. So obviously I've got the base coat and different things like that. And then I will probably, you know, buff and like file and smooth my nail down, probably off camera. So as you can see, it is soak off. You can soak it off, and it does soak off quite easily actually, to be fair, which is another plus, because obviously you can practice and practice and practice with this on your own nails until you get comfortable with polygel, which isn't soak off. So this is the thumb. I'm just going to get the rest of it off. That actually just all came off in one go, which was really good. So I know my nails look terrible, but don't worry about that. Once I like buff it down and then apply some cuticle oil, it does restore quite nicely. So this is what I've been using now for the past 3 weeks, and I cannot rave about this product enough. It's been fantastic for me. You can see that even those 3 weeks I've hardly used any of it because of how hydrating that it is. Some of the benefits of this, I think 7 benefits in total, of this cuticle oil are on screen, and I can confirm that it really has done that with my nails. I know everybody's nail beds are different, but I have tried quite a lot of cuticle oils and none of them have worked as amazing as this one for me. So I will leave links to it in the description box below if you want to check it out, and I do have a discount code. It may be 15 or it may go down to 10. I know it's going down to 10% soon, but if you type in Gelulicious you will get some form of a discount at Kiki London. But I totally recommend this cuticle oil. So yeah, so I really hope that this video has been helpful. I've been really impressed with the BeautyBigBang Builder Gel Kit. It lasted such a long time and it removed easily as well. So if you've got any questions, then please pop them in the comments box below. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.